Okay, traders, in today's video, we're going to look at 5 things you absolutely must do after placing an option trade. If you really want to be a successful options trader, you need to have a good system in place. Part of that system is what you do after placing a trade. Any village idiot can place a trade. It's what you do next that's important. And here are 5 tips to get you headed in the right direction. Firstly, check earnings and other important data releases. Of course, this is something you should do before placing a trade, but if you didn't, you should do so straight after placing the trade. You can always close a trade straight away if there's an important announcement during the life of your trade. Announcements like GDP or jobs reports can be a major market moving event, so you need to be aware of what's coming up over the course of your trade. Typically, when I'm placing trades on individual stocks, I like to avoid earnings, so definitely check that before you place the trade, but if you forgot, check afterwards and make sure earnings aren't going to impact your position in a negative way. Number 2, review your plan. So for each trade you place, you absolutely must have a plan for when you will take profits, cut losses, or adjust your trade. Review your plans for the trade that you just placed and write them down, very important, or at very least, mark them on a chart. Number 3, check your margin requirements. Margin calls are horrible, so don't put yourself in a position where you might get one. After placing your trade, double check that you have enough cash in your account to cover your current margin requirements. Depending on your trading strategy, you may want to add a 20% buffer to the margin amount to help prevent a margin call. Number 4, very important, update your trading log. Hopefully you have a trading log, because if not, you're already behind the 8 ball. After placing your trade, you should enter the trade into your trade log so that you'll be able to review it at a later date. Again, can't stress how important this is, guys, to keep good records of your trades. Number 5, another important one, is turning off your charts. So something I was guilty of when I first started out was tick watching. So after placing a trade, I'd sit there watching the chart like a hawk and stressing over every tiny move. Life's too short for that sort of thing, and it's not going to help you anyway with your trading. So after placing your trade and double checking everything, close out of your brokerage account for at least the next 30 minutes and just relax. Nothing drastic is going to happen in 30 minutes. You don't want to overthink things and be tick watching. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to learn a bit more about how I trade the market, check out my website, optionstradingiq.com. Plenty of free courses there on the homepage that you can check out. Thanks again for watching, and I wish you every success in your trading. Reach out to me anytime if you've got any questions relating to options, info@optionstradingiq.com. Cheers guys, have a great day.